Today we're going to be taking a look at this flying insect trap. It's chemical free. It attracts insects using UV light. It effectively traps houseflies, fruit flies, and gnats. It's family and pet safe, which is great. Mess free. It's one device, 5 cartridges. We're going to open this up in 1 second over here. So let's do this. So really easy to open right over here. I'm going to plug it in and get it set up for you. So here we go right over here. So we got these right over here. We got some instructions on how to put this together. We got our different things right over here. So we got 4 of these. And then we have the actual device itself right over here. And that also has one inside as well. And then we have this right over here. So this is going to put the light out. And then this plug pops down just like that. Let's get this set up and I'll show you what it looks like. Just note, when you are getting this set up, you're going to want to move this blue film right over here, and that's going to allow this part right over here to be sticky. All right, so I just shut off the lights so you can see what it looks like when the lights are off. Everything is set up. You'll see here the blue film is removed. You simply just plug this in, and what you're going to do here, there's a button on the side. That is going to turn on. So it's going to elicit that blue light right over here. And that is what's going to attract all the bugs and insects in your house. And then it has 3 different light settings. So if you wanted to change it, you want to lessen it a little, you could do that. And then it goes all the way off. So you have 3 different settings right over here, which is really nice. You could adjust it. And then once you're done with this, you could just pick this up, get rid of the inside, and put a new insert in. If you're looking for a great way to trap bugs that's super easy to set up, has 3 different light adjustments, definitely check this one out. And a huge thanks to the brand for sending this over so I could do this review.